Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn a your image into cartoons with Canva. So now you can open your Canva app on your PC. If you don't have, please you can download it for free and install it in your system. And after it, don't forget to sign in, create your account if you don't have. And now you can click apps. So under trending apps, you can search for Cartoonify. Here we go. Cartoonify transfer your photos into fun cartoons. So you can add playful twists to your photo with Cartoonify. Simply provide an image and watch the magic unfold. Let's try with use new design. And let's use the whiteboard. And here you can wait a moment. You can choose your file. You can upload your image or select one in your design to Canva. So let's start with this image. Please wait. This may take a few seconds. And here we go. I upload a cat. So this is the original and this is the Cartoonify. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.